Unpack the expansion dock and its accessories. Connect the CPU 8-pin and 24-pin interfaces to the expansion dock. Install the graphics card into the expansion dock, and connect the 8-pin/16-pin power cable to the graphics card. Power on the dock, plug in the Thunderbolt cable, and connect it to the laptop. The white, green, and blue lights on the expansion dock will all light up. Open Device Manager on the computer, go to Display Adapters, where a Microsoft Basic Display adapter will appear. This is the graphics card. Download the corresponding graphics driver from the NVIDIA/AMD/Intel official website based on the graphics card model. After installing the graphics driver, the corresponding model will be displayed in Task Manager. When using normally, do not disable the integrated graphics. The system will automatically call the discrete graphics card to work.